YouTube and talk about it, you should have just leave my video alone.
But women notice about them, they don't want to see nobody make money. I mean, I tell her that.
Yeah, they run YouTube.
If you look
they get a Jason Brown.
They don't want nobody. Don't call on him. They don't want nobody to make no money. And that's it. And that's what it's giving. Because it don't make no sense.
It really doesn't. That shit was so dumb. But you know what? I'm gonna keep going. Y'all not stopping shit around here. Like only video. I'm making more content for my supporters. This shit not gonna stop. The fuck? And then y'all weird. Y'all so fucking weird. You gonna make a video about us and post it upon YouTube. Make it make fucking sense, yo. I just don't understand that, yo. I really don't.
What is something to them?
I'm gonna keep going, y'all.
They don't want to see that though, but that's fucked up. I find that fucked up. And I always see she tell himself a chick.
And I said it. That nigga's a munch. I didn't say the nigga. I didn't go directly. I even be nice enough and say he's a munch.
Even when the first time, you never want to tell him say.
Yeah.
You never want to say. They did play a bumble clock dumb.
Yes.
And
I even played dumb, and you still mad? Okay, bitch. Now let me go be clear and let me stand it out. Let me make it more fucking clear for everybody. Yes, he ate my fucking poom poom. He ate it up. He's a munch. He eat it up like a mango. The fuck? You think you stop anything, yo? You didn't stop nothing, yo. But keep trying. Keep trying. Y'all fucking weird. I'm gonna report your video too. After I react to it too.
Fuck somebody over YouTube and I fuck somebody over TikTok. Cause him fast and fucking quick with it.
What? When I drop my video, the same fucking like 5 minutes later.
3 o'clock in the morning.
3 o'clock. No, not even 3 o'clock in the morning. He writing paragraph essay. Oh, your best friend I do this. You I do this.
Me not delete.
You say a raw dog rape you. Blah blah blah. I'm like, nigga, what?
They say everything. They don't eat that. They say everything. You shouldn't take it down. Everything was there. We're not delete not one comment. Not one. Everything did it.
Everything, yo. Like that's.
I wouldn't have hide nothing. And if I saw, and if it's not so, it's not so.
I don't understand that. I couldn't believe, y'all. I couldn't believe when we was on Kima Live, Kima Instagram Live, and them say, oh, you didn't see the video CMR make of you? You didn't see the video CPR make? I'm like, what video? Because I thought the thing was dead. You report my video got taken down. I'm thinking everything is dead. Nothing dead, yo. Nothing.
And that more know. We said it in the vlog. So the hot seat. Sorry. I see him. So when the situation him gonna make somebody text Cassandra phone and I send her a chat and I call out my name and I call out one bag of people name. I saw him stay. That's why I wouldn't know say him. Yeah, him you have to know when I tell him I can't know when I him. Him bring up all other people name. I don't want to say him bring all heap of other people name.
And the only reason why I brought up Rodon's name is because that's what really vexed the man. That's what really vexed the man. And I know that deep inside, that's what vexed him.
Yeah, so I said he fucking up for that. See him so. No, they don't like the people I make money. I think that. I think they don't like seeing other people win.
They don't like it, no.
Cause all if we did want money, why the problem? Exactly. Why the problem? And I said we have suffer.
And they know it's not a problem because they doing it too. They went and did the same thing we did, and I just don't understand. I don't.
Somebody said for chat everything and stop. Boy. And
That's what really blew my mind. Honestly, that's the only thing that I'm hot about. Everything else, yeah, y'all could say leave it alone, which I did. It was months and months I didn't talk about it. But it's really because y'all took down my video and then you went and did the same thing. The exact same thing I did, you went and did. And the only reason why I did the video, it was for the supporters, literally. That was so dumb. Dead who see my Lord a girl them think YouTube I feel alone. Now I'm front ugly. Bare face, big boy.
Boy, I don't know about today, yeah, man.
I literally did move on. But if I want to
tonight, we did have blood clot time tonight. Suck pussy boy.
And that's crazy. I did move on. I literally did. I'm just doing content. That's literally what it is. It's not, I'm stuck on it. I'm not depressed about it. I'm not thinking about it. Exactly.
For the first day, and we last time we see me was done this one.
Exactly. I just had time to do the video. I edited the video. Took my time to do it. Posted it. And within a day, the video got 1K views. Within a day, the man take it down, yo. That hurt me. Blood clot hurt me, yo.
Like I said, we know why. We know it. Bunny, wife, no, me know it burn her, no. It burn her because she know you. We argue with her already. And we been in situation plenty of time when she have to hold her corners. But me not say party. Wife, mate. Yeah, that's so. Because she go on like say, he never put the girl, yo, people funny, you know, people funny as fuck. You tell me say this man never put in your place for Cassandra. Talk to me. Talk to me, lady. Talk to me. Talk to me. Really talk to me now.
Right, so,
you remember your idea? You remind you? How was some? The forehead too big? It a black something? Like what? You really not go back more? What is it? Make me remind you. And that's why blood clot bunny because I know say the man have a thing for the woman. And that's why I got burn your blood clot. I don't chat.
And I never disrespected that lady. Not one time. Never disrespected her. Not one time. And for every time you come on the live, you have to say something rude. Come on now. You fuck up right there. So you fuck up right there, yo. Keep doing it over and over.
I promise licking her face.
I was gonna move in the house. You know what's so funny? The man told me to move in the house. I can even bring my best friend. I'm supposed to be his brother girlfriend, and I'm in the guest room with my best friend. If I could bring my best friend, I can.
Our woman say, yo, watch I know I forgot go for your brother. You have to go for your brother and then that one. Cause he want to move in and feed brother in the day, make it make sense. So his plan was he would go take a trip to Jamaica and go some woman carry him up and indeed I go marry him and get money or one bag of fuckery. So that's why it never go on. It's like a that she said. He never tell we no, but it's like a that she said. Me I go repeat. He never say a that one, but me feel like I just that. Cause it's like it's given that she was okay with it, but it's like she say, yo, yeah, your brother have a day first if that I go on. Cause him couldn't wait, you know. Move out on apartment.
I made it known there was no problem with Crissy.
We was not homeless.
No problem.
We did not go through the best, but we was not homeless, nigga. Bitch, you just a continue to talk about homeless. Nobody was homeless. I mean, yeah, we got homeless because of him, honestly, yeah, but we was not homeless before.
Yeah.
He put in a one sticky situation.
He took us out my house to go live in his house, and while he planning on doing it,
then he hire somebody. For look for your apartment and this and that. Then me tell Cassandra say, yo, brother, I fuck remove it, you know. I fuck remove it. But you see me now, me is a real friend because you know say through my friend me I go did there and she say, yo dog, me could go up on the animal. I give you a work to you know, me I tell you know, brother, me I tell you me I reason you know. He say, oh no go about job and this and that. And he say, how much I go pay him, I go pay we and he sitting there. And he make link in front of we, you know, so obviously me I go say, alright, cool. But we still fuck up and just trust people and say, yeah. And I'm not even in my trust, I'm a friend my trust. I'm go with me, still take up myself and go with my friend. And I suck on me in the same, so me end up in the same position as she. And me have to hold it like a G. And we did go through a fucking lot. Cause from B&B to B&B to B&B to B&B, and then said, one bag of fuckery, but, you know, we passed that, and, you know, thank God me have my own spot now. But, I saw you go, but she come go and like say, let me tap in like say, man, cause then them I go say, this and that.
I just don't like how you trying to portray that you good over there with your husband, you this and that, but you're really not because you're sitting here dissing. You dissing me for what?
She can't good. She can't
Diss
good.
me for what?
Cause everybody should know say the man they really rate you cause she know you.
Yeah, about me get one fuck.
She already talk out her mouth. Say yeah, she know. She know
We get one fuck, but you come here every fucking day. You fly me out to go upon your side. Go upon your side to go to be with you.
Fuck did involve, but money did run. Blood clot money run, time run, everything run. It was not no one fuck and just, you know, one fuck, then fuck. Me now watch Cassandra pussy, me now watch him cocky, but I plenty of time him come over and fuck out Cassandra wall.
Right, that's all. That does say a fucking lot. How can you throw shade at me?
Me see pay Cassandra. Me tell I want the people, yo. It's not no one fuck. Pay bills and every bumbuckler thing, brother.
And that's what I'm saying. That's why I never disrespected her because I already know what's really going on. The nigga's over here. Your nigga left you to come over here. So what the fuck am I arguing for you for? You're nothing for arguing with for.
And then the funny thing about it, she know. And watch her now. If we don't look back on the live them, we don't realize that we are kind of talk to she. Because uno my name know what one. But she a know. Come here make she know. Like, come on now. Put two and two together now.
Like, exactly. The fuck I'm arguing.
4 or 6 that. Bumble.
The fuck I'm lying. Like, come on now.
We never tell a lie.
Like, come on now, yo. The man come over here every weekend. The man come over here. Every other weekday, he come over here. Why the fuck would I be arguing with you?
Friend.
There's no competition. That's your husband, and he's over here. Make it make fucking sense.
She call friend and I say, oh, my husband with you? And the friend I said, no. One time when she called back and said, yo, your dog. She never said that to no, but she said, turn on the camera. Turn on. Is yourself now? Let me tell you about that. Remember, no, mama. Remember, you want me to tell the full story? Remember, said the man put in a place for the girl. And the girl in a front blood clot seat. There for wait, me. Hey, hang up this blood clot. I'm going to talk something.
Exactly. How I got your bank card? How I got your bank card? Be fucking for real.
You put Cassandra for wait, or Cassandra put your for wait.
I don't have to wait for the money. If I want to go get food, right, that's so I can go take his car and go buy shit. I want to go buy something from the mall, I can go take his car and go buy it. So what you talk about? What? He forgot? He forgot what the fuck going on? Yo.
No look into it. That's like
just embarrassing. Just embarrassing, yo. And they gonna talk about, oh, we embarrassing, we this and that. We not sitting over here chatting about it. We post the video, that's it, that was done, leave it alone. Then you wanna go on live with your wife and your wife talking shit for what? For what? For what? Like, literally, yo.
Just well, guys, let's see what's going to go on.
We're gonna see what's gonna go on tomorrow, y'all. Y'all gonna see or whatever. Cause I didn't see the video till somebody. I still didn't watch the video. We still didn't watch it yet, but
we're wonderful for watch it and record it.
We wouldn't even know that it was a video out if nobody didn't tell us. Cause we not watching them. Exactement. We not watching y'all.
What them say they want a video? I didn't want we just.
I'm gonna talk the story on my video.
No, I'm talking about the.
No, I'm telling them.
You.
What we expect her to do? We're not expecting her to do anything, but honestly, the way they're coming, they're gonna say something.
The only thing I feel like she should just tell himself to leave it because We understand say yeah, I'm not gonna leave it alone because it burn him. Let's be honest. But Missy she tell him plenty of time for just low it. But hey, that's what I expect. I don't expect she to leave her man or I don't tell her if to kill her man or do this. Just tell himself just avoid it. You don't fuck up like she said before. What's the problem? Stop. You say what she call we? Them Lego foot girl, belly girl.
We lowered the thing for so long, yo. You at the person you saying that we need to lower out the thing. We been low out the thing, yo. You don't see the man go on YouTube and talk about it? Like I don't understand.
Tell them them blind. They ever see we get up on a chat be a fucker or whatever. Right now my mouth tired and me not get no money. Just give me 20K.
Yo, been low the thing, yo. Been low it. Been.
You know just go say for no year we are cause somebody come through.
They only see what the fuck we doing. Y'all don't see what them doing though, yeah.
All when they report the video, our phone never know say the video gone. Well probably the one we go look and see it, but we not say nothing about post it and make you know say
we been the bigger one. Been the bigger one. Been.
We make on say them report it and that was it. And we just say I look one thing funny and say it's cool when they do it, but it's a problem when we do it.
And that's exactly what I fucking
that's
posted.
What we posted. We never go live and say nothing about it until people that say stuff about it.
Every life Uno I go talk about them. Alright, yo. That shit is so dumb. You sound dumb as fuck. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when we do it.
But when,
fuck them. Fuck you, bitch. Because I'm gonna say something. Each time that nigga come and say something, I'm gonna say something. I'm not being a fucking bigger person. And I'm the young one. And he older. Make it make fucking sense. Who's older? Yo, I'm tired of being the big person.
Watch this woman class. Go and come. Class 2. When she call on again? Hungry belly, look a girl. My sister class them and nobody. A few people we say something, but nobody now say, hey, mama, you're older than them. Just let go that and a whole heap of elder people support them. Me not see them say stop that. No, nobody now say it. But everybody can come over here and say, oh, no boring and rare. But you never dare say no to mama when she say, oh, she slapping people, look up in the face and we're hungry belly girl and we're not on the bed and we're nobody and everybody want to do YouTube and everybody want to make business. Like, come on now. We're not be fucking free if we're not, like, come on now. But, is it true?
Yeah, we too hungry. What is them? What is them?
Thank you, sir.
What them say?
Somebody said too hungry. Yeah. And what is them?
Thank you.
What is them?
If we make a video making us hungry, them hungry too.
Everybody fucking hungry.
Everybody hungry. Everybody want money.
What
I'm
is?
run this, nah? I'm money run this. I feel like me living at my place for free. I rent blood clot pay that. I rent make me do this, so that me I tell you.
Yeah, she said she was gonna slap me in my face. Yeah, my face still haven't been slapped.
I should know the address and all.
That's what I'm say, yo. I'm hungry. Yeah.
Everybody hungry.
Everybody hungry.
If you know, hey, I know who not hungry on the level right now. Cause any you're not hungry, you need to cash up me some money or sell me some money right blood clot now. Cause it come like I be rich people they out.
Everybody blood clot hungry.
Everybody hungry. Everybody hungry. Me hungry or fuck to me not tell her.
The fuck? The nigga who posted a video yesterday talking about us. He not hungry? Oh, yeah. He full, belly full, huh? Yeah. He eat a lot yesterday, yeah. Okay then. Fuck are you? Crissy, just make sure you're never hungry because one full up your blood clot belly so you can't hungry. That me I say.
Me hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry, bitch.
Full, me 20K not full, me not get me 20K yet. Nothing, me hungry, me real hungry. But tell her to do it. all Cassandra couldn't make that the video there for free.
Alright, bitch, you block. You block, bitch.
What she say?
Fuck out of here. She talking about she don't understand. Alright, get the fuck out, bitch. And I already said it. That's why he left his marriage to come look for something else to go entertain.
All that to talk to, all that to say, man, look why and tell us say, him unhappy.
He's unhappy. We know this.
I know him all about.
The only reason why he's gonna come back to his marriage is because
He's in the drunk in the car. Man, when they are drink Magnum,
yeah,
the one Magnum drunk him, guys. The man ball drunk.
He is the only reason.
First him did drunk, then him ball sick. He say house head problem. He need to go look for help. So no tell me no. Yeah.
The only reason why he wanna go back in his marriage is because the money they have to make together, and the kids, and he's gonna do it for the wives. That's the only reason why. My phone dead.
Let me. But he don't know himself. He don't know himself. That's it. He don't know himself. But if he did a doing thing, you know, Cassandra and such woman wouldn't do that. But you know, clearly see how him roll. He don't give a fuck. It's right here. He don't give a fuck. Remember now, yeah. What? Okay, face no shit no. Hey girl, stop it, you know. That's what people in Ireland. No, but actually, you know, is that an iPhone charger? That one, try that. Or spending that? Oh. It make Cassandra feel like so she can do certain things and other girl. So you get. If you did put people in them place, it wouldn't so hard on your side, but mine is sticky. Yeah, money don't. No, that's so true. Money don't make nobody happy. Long and stiff. I wouldn't know Cassandra. Cassandra pussy would have asked that if it long and stiff. Him soon put.
If who long and stiff?
If him tongue long and stiff. Me tell them me no know. I would have asked the pussy that. Mama know she had a still. She good still with that. The man when she have is a bumbo clad crosses. And in think with him other head. Yeah, he does. But I mean, that's every man though. Let's be for real. Ask and tell we. You want me to ask Cassandra? That sound funny. They want me to ask her front. If it long and stiff. In tongue long and stiff? In tongue long and stiff?
Yeah.
The vagina say yes. The same tongue in them. Me don't want to see that. Fuck how ugly. I'm going like him as somebody. The truth hurts. And that's what I don't know if you really pay attention to. The truth hurts. Them can't take it. So them are going to do everything that them power if shut up Cassandra. I mean, yeah. I honestly think certain stuff are fake, but I don't want to say nothing. Yeah. Cassandra said the cock is small.
And that's why he's really vexed. Because I said, world that cocky big. Bigger than his.
The one that bunny. That one they would have to bun me too.
But I didn't even say it in a mean way. I kind of like said it in a.
Don't feel bad. We can go suck yourself and cocky little one. Don't feel bad. It lickle and it lickle and it lickle again.
I said I wasn't trying to bully nobody. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but I'm just being honest.
Your cocky little.
And I'm being blunt.
Laugh. Yes, I'm bullying you. Yeah, it lickle.
That's what I said.
Go
like,
find something to do with that. That's why I'm off in the front. See that? I think they text.
no, that's not me.